to go over this Dewalt quick flip pocket knife. So it's got smooth action. It's actually got ball bearings built into it, aluminum handle, high strength, reverse deep pocket, stainless steel, and it is an EDC, everyday carry. There we go. This is the package that mine got in right here. Now let me just show you the overall look of this knife. Look how quickly you can get that open. It has this thumb locking mechanism right there. It does have this little ball right there for closing it up, but I really like these knives that are like quick opening, quick closing. You can also just close it like that. You can use it like this to pull that out. It's got this serrated edge right here. There's a serrated edge running down right there, and then it's got the sharpened edge right there. And it is very sharp, everybody. This thing is super sharp. Check how quickly it can dice up its own package right there. Has a little bit of grip down through there. It's super light to carry. Has a very light handle because it's got that aluminum, the Dewalt logo right there. It's got the little belt clip right here that seems to work very well. I really like this knife. I keep it on my belt. I can pull it out real quick when I'm opening packages. I just kind of get it like that. And I like the fact that it's got this serrated edge right here for cutting rope or anything like that. So let me grab a little piece of rope. How that, I don't want to waste a lot of my paracord right here, but check this out. Like it's nothing. That little serrated edge will definitely slice. So I don't want to keep cutting my rope. I've been using it for videos so much I'm starting to run out of rope there. I don't see any issues at all with this little knife. I think it's a great option for anyone that's just looking for a nice kind of Tanto style EDC kind of pocket knife. See y'all in the next video.